Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. It is Tuesday the 12th of December. In this video we'll be looking at the charts on the DAX 30 index in Germany, which on TradingView has the code DE30EUR. What we'll see is that the DAX needs to pick up very quickly. Otherwise, there's going to be a head and shoulder formation. We need to see increased upside momentum and increased volumes. Let's look at those charts. So looking at the weekly, and you can see that actually the consolidation that we've had for the last 4 or 5 weeks can very easily be a flag, but we do need to break to the upside. Otherwise, on this weekly chart, everything does look okay. We're above the moving averages. They would give support on any pullback, very much like they did in the middle of September, early October, when the 20 came to the rescue and the 50 was giving moral support. And they're all looking good, and the 200 as well, slightly overextended from the 200, but that's quite natural in a bull run. As I said, does look like a flag. Let's wait and see if we can break to the upside. Momentum, we've lost a bit of upside momentum on this weekly chart. RSI presently is at 60.25 and in a slight downtrend. Likewise, the MACD are just tracking sideways. Looking at the daily picture, so here each candle represents 1 day's trade. And you can see that the flag, perhaps we have broken to the upside, but you can see from the volume there's been very little volume at the new higher levels above the moving averages, which is a slight concern. This market needs, or every market needs, volume to go to the upside, and when you get decline in volume, you're very much likely to get a drifting or a lower asset price. It is positive that we're above the moving averages and they will be giving support. The 50 at the moment is still above the 20, but over the next few days you will see that 20 tick up and hopefully will break above the 50 as they're both moving upwards, which is called a golden cross. Slight concerns on a formation of a head and shoulder with the left shoulder head, right shoulder. So hopefully if we do break to the upside, that will stop that from happening. That would be confirmed, by the way, with a move down below 12,900. That would then confirm the head and shoulders, and then you'd be looking at a fall towards that 200-day moving average, which is at 12,568 at the moment. Momentum has again been lost. You can see that although the RSI is in a very shallow uptrend, it's only just gone above 50 and is ticking down again, 53.69, so keep your eye on that. Hopefully that will stay above 50. And on the MACD, actually, it's quite positive that the short term has gone above the longer term, indicating that some upside momentum is returning, so let's hope that continues. Moving on to the 4-hour chart, and you can see the last couple of days we've just had this drifting pattern. That's been on lower volume and has taken down the RSI down to 55 as it's drifting off. Again, the moving averages all moving up. We did have a golden cross on the 20 crossing the 50, and today it looks like we're getting the 20 crossing the 200. Also positive that they're all very close together. If we can break to the upside, that could give a trampoline effect. If we can break through this resistance 13.2 to 13.250, we would then see hopefully a quick move up to 13.4. Looking at the support and resistance levels, we've got resistance from the high of the 8th of December, 13.245.3, and the 7th of November, 13.535, with support at 13.086.66, which is the 200 on the 4 hour, and then 13.054 spot 66, which is the 20-day. So that's been a look at the DAX, looking at the charts on the DAX. The key takeaways from the video should be that hopefully the recent consolidation will prove to be a flag. We do need to break up to stop the head and shoulder formation. Momentum does need to improve and volume needs to pick up as well. And those moving averages are giving solid support, and especially on the 4-hour where they're all together, they could give the trampoline effect if we can break to the upside. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it of interest. If you're not a subscriber to my YouTube channel, please do click the subscribe. Click the subscribe button. You then get email updates when I come out with my regular videos. I don't just cover stock indices. I cover commodities, FX, and I do single stocks in the UK and the US. The videos that I do on YouTube, they're not an investment recommendation, they're just my opinion. Please do read the disclaimer.